So hello again. My name is Daniela and I'm going to be your host today. Today we're going to talk about a pretty important topic. We're going to talk about how to make work easier and faster. It's pretty much $1 million question. That's why we're gonna tackle a couple of topics. We're going to discuss about tips and hacks on working smart, how to improve engagement and collaboration, hybrid work, how to stay connected with the team while working from home, and how to increase productivity with technology. Today, I'm going to talk with Milana Josic, HR manager at Play Media, and Stjepan Bošnjak, CEO at Content Jar. Is it better to work smart or to work hard? What would you say?
I don't know if there is anyone who actually prefers working hard, but at the end of the day, a great many of us actually do it. So yes, of course, it is much better to work smart and to do your best to get organized in a way you can actually work smart and not work too hard or be overwhelmed.
Okay, so can you share with us some of the tips and hacks on working smart?
I believe I can because I have been dealing with it for like over a decade now. And one thing I believe many people don't think a lot about is that no matter how well organized you are, you cannot do too many tasks for too long and stay productive. So that's why this topic is actually an issue today. Like it can last for a few months, maybe a year or two, but at the end of the day, to do the job well, we must prioritize smart and not hard work.
And Stjepan, what do you think? What is working smart for you?
Well, for me personally, I found that working smart is all about getting the right results, and there's really only one way to go about it. You need to allocate your tasks as efficiently as you can and ensure that you do the most important things when you are at your most productive. And for those of us who work remotely, that comes with a set of challenges in terms of eliminating distractions during those times of the day when you feel the most productive. But it also comes with the benefit of choosing the time when you're going to work and when you're going to finish most of the job for the day or for the week. So for me, it's imperative to set up a dedicated work environment and, of course, maintain a healthy work-life balance. So in this sense, we can actually leverage technology to work for us. So definitely using technology is a big part of working smart, as well as allocating your tasks to the appropriate times during the day.
In a recent report out of Accenture, 83% out of 9,326 workers surveyed say they prefer a hybrid model in which they can work remotely, right? At least 25% of the time. So Milana, tell me, what do you think about this model? What do you think about hybrid model? Is this a future of work?
Honestly, I believe there is no alternative to it at all. Like basically some kind of hybrid model right now is necessary for almost all the industries. Maybe not shop floor workers, maybe not operators in a factory, but I'm not even sure about that in years to come. But from teaching to project management and logistics, I cannot see a serious company that takes care of its people and their well-being that will ignore the possibility of having them working at one place to where they can come and sit and see each other, and spending some time in their home office with their peace of mind. We're all experienced with both types, and I don't think it can be ignored. It's just a new reality for us.
Yes, and I love this new reality. I have to say, this is something that suits perfectly for me, and I'm so happy that this is happening, and I really think it's definitely a future of work. Stjepan, do you agree? What do you think?
Well, sure, I agree. I mean, having tried both, I think that the benefits of telecommuting outweigh its disadvantages by a large margin. So of course, I mean, there are benefits to working in an office that simply can't be overlooked, but combining the two into a hybrid model is, in my opinion, the best way to go about organizing any workforce that, you know, in an industry that allows it. And you did the statistic you mentioned, I think you said about 83% of people said they prefer a hybrid model. So I think the survey statistic only indicates that those companies that offer the option to work remotely are the ones that will retain the most qualified staff. And but with the most qualified staff, they're going to come out on top eventually. So I believe that, you know, just with this new level of competition between employers, the ones that offer better terms are going to win. And I think that the hybrid model is a big bargaining chip for those who are actually ready to explore working this way.
So how do you increase productivity using technology?
Excuse me? Yeah.
Still Stjepan.
Okay. Okay. So, well, obviously, remote work in itself increases productivity, and it's enabled through technology. So just leveraging the tools and developments that are made available to us in a click is a big step towards increasing productivity, whether you're working remotely in an office or through a hybrid model. So just identifying the right tools you need for your company or your position and integrating them into a platform that will allow you and your entire team to use them, you know, easily and without any distractions. So I mean, yeah, of course, technology can be great, but it's also a source of many distractions during the day. Whenever you switch on your browser, you know, there's that small temptation to Google something that just came to your mind, you know. So we need to be wary. We need to be wary of that opportunity, of that possibility. Not to mention, you know, social media and other things we deal with.
Don't go there.
The onslaught of information we're facing on a daily basis.
Honestly, by being ruthlessly peachy, because I did not used to be, and I was just distracted all the time, like almost without multitasking all the time, burnt out, overwhelmed, and then I just stopped and thought about it. So basically, it all starts from the purpose, like what do I need to do, why I need to do it. And when I get the purpose of what I need to do, then it comes to decluttering. So if we want to declutter our workspace, like physical space, then we need to do it online as well. In this case, it means analyzing which tools really help, organizing them and using them properly. And that's why tools like FOCOS helped us a lot, helped us in our team and made our day less, I cannot really find the right word for it, but the amount of stress that used to be here before just vanished.
Stjepan, what is the app that helps you the most while working?
Wow, I'm not really sure, but if FOCOS counts as the platform I use to keep my stuff organized, then it would have to be it. Otherwise, I think it's just my calendar where I keep everything, you know, written down. So if that counts, then definitely.
Okay, very good. Milana, what about you?
Yeah, it's the same thing. I like using Infinity as project management tool for DHR. And actually, I can't avoid using a few more apps that I like or just feel confident with. So yes, I'm not sure if I can say it's an application, but using FOCOS to put them all together helps a lot. So it could be said, yes, it's one of my favorite tools.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much. I need to announce who got the voucher on Amazon. So our randomly selected winner of the Amazon voucher is Jane Brown. Jane, congratulations. We will email you after the webinar for all the details. Thank you so much and congratulations one more time. is there? Oh, I thought I have another one, another question. Okay, anyway, thank you so much. It was definitely a pleasure talking to you today. And I really hope we answered all of the questions you were wondering, and I hope you had fun with me today. And again, I'm so sorry for a little bit of technical issues, but yeah, this is what can happen when you're working online. Thank you so much, and hope we will see each other soon.